How many is that?
3.
Oh, okay.
You lost count.
Need 3.
Alright.
You got 1 candle. What time?
Okay, count them. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 candles.
How old is Daddy?
He has 5 candles.
So how old is he?
We need candle wire.
What's Daddy's
Lighter.
What's Daddy's number, Ty?
8 o'clock.
Alright.
What's Daddy's number? How old is Daddy? You are 3.
9 o'clock.
No, you are 3.
Daddy's number.
You are 3, and Daddy is.
His number is. What
Now
number?
we should put the big
45.
knives on the bottom.
What
On the
number, Mom?
45.
Ask Daddy.
Number, Mom?
On the
Ask
bottom.
Daddy.
45.
45?
Yeah.
He's on that number.
Lots of numbers, that's right.
Oh no.
You think I'll be able to hold out another 45 for you?
Gotta get all candles in for me up.
Uh-huh.